We are, a group that is used to looking at trends. We started to ask two very basic, important questions of how and in what way we could contribute. The first is through a large collaborative network that we're helping to coordinate to try and understand the genetic basis of what do the variations in our genes have to do with COVID-19 infection and the outcomes. So the issue is, can we understand what each person's DNA may or may not be contributing to the risk of either a good or bad outcome? So we have set up a study of people who are COVID-19 positive at the clinical center here in Bethesda.
Right.
And then we're collecting samples from all around the area, from Georgetown, George Washington, Howard, Doctors Hospital, talking to Johns Hopkins, Maryland, and then other places in the country to accumulate and bring together a large enough sampling so that we can scientifically begin to understand what the genetic basis of those outcomes are, because that may be very helpful in screening early on and knowing with a positive person, should we do something, of a new kind of therapy or approach, or is this someone who would have a much lower risk? We expect in the fall to be in a position to really start to see some very interesting and exciting, and we hope, insights that will allow us to both think about new drugs or new approaches, as well as the screening question.